Hi, everyone. My name is Ken Singh, founder and CEO of the FlippBidd Network. And today we're going to give you a quick tour of the FlippBidd application. Go ahead and download the application if you have already not done so on App Store or Google Play. Download the application by searching for FlippBidd, FlippBidd, as you see on the screen. Click on the download button and we'll wait for it to download. And once it is downloaded, you should have the application installed on your smartphones. Once you click on the open button or navigate to your app on your smartphone, you'll have to give it certain permissions. Make sure to give the application all the permissions so you can go ahead and have the best user experience possible utilizing our application. You can register your account with a new registration or simply log in using your Gmail or Apple ID. Today, we're going to go ahead and register with my Google account. And once you hit continue, you click on the Gmail account that you want to register the application with. Once you click the decided email address, you can go ahead and give it the permissions that it needs to access your application. And of course, the rest is just following the prompts and giving it the right permissions it needs to allow you into the app. Once you're into the app, you're going to go ahead and get to our user interface, which is fully intuitive and highly interactive. You can navigate throughout the map simply using your thumb. You'll notice that there aren't any properties located anywhere on a very high zoom. But once you zoom into your location or respective markets, you can see those properties start populating one by one, as you see here on the screen. And once those properties populate, you'll notice that you'll start seeing icons that look like houses. Some are blue, some are purple, and of course, you'll see our verified investors located in those respective markets. On the application, you'll have your profile page, you'll have a My Location button, as well as an assistant, a FlippBidd assistant, where you can actually access certain addresses, cities, or states by simply pressing the button and speaking into the voice prompt. You can also search for those addresses by putting in the address in the search field. For now, we're going to go ahead and click on My Location to start off with. And the first thing you'll notice is one of our main features of the application, which is the FlippBidd One Touch. And what that allows you to do is you can go ahead and press your thumb down on any property in the United States and request property records, comps, and other data, including skip tracing information that will show up in your My Visits once you visit that property, to be able to call and email owners directly. So once that's done, click OK. We always recommend you update your profile as soon as you enter the application. You can do that by clicking on your profile, go into your My Profile screen, and editing your profile as well as your backdrop. Your cover page can be edited any which way you like. We always recommend that you update anything that you want to promote, such as your business and or operation, whether you're an investor, wholesaler, or a real estate enthusiast. You could change your cover letter as you like. After you are done editing and entering your information for your profile, you are ready to go. In your profile page, you'll notice My Visits, My Connections, My Uploads, and Support and Settings are all located here, and we'll get to that in a second. With the application, you can go ahead and visit any city, state, as well as a full address right through the search. So for now, we'll go ahead and visit West Palm Beach as a test. And once you go ahead and put in once you have entered the address in, you'll notice it'll navigate you right to the town that you're looking to visit. Once you visited that area or a city or a state, you'll notice that icons are populated in specific areas. We are growing our community, so as we grow, we will have more available properties for sale through our network and wholesalers and sellers that are uploading their properties directly. You can go ahead and click on the map view button and convert that to a list view and be able to locate properties for sale from our network of users within a 25-mile radius. Once you found a property that is for sale, you could click on that property either through the icon or through the list view and be able to locate that property's seller, as you see here, and communicate with them right through the chat or call button feature, just like this. And once you go ahead and give the microphone access, you'll be able to dial out to that seller directly. Before doing that, if you want to just go ahead and pull information on that property, you can do that by just simply clicking on the building square, clicking on the property information tab, sales comps tab, mortgage data tab, foreclosure information tab, and MLS history tab. So all the data is pulled quickly for you, so you can go ahead and view all the data that is necessary for you to make an educated decision on your next investment. We'll click on the back button to always go back to the map view or list view and go right to our map to see what other properties are for sale. As you visit properties on our application, you will notice that these properties will pop up in your My Profile. We call it My Visits. You are virtually visiting these properties. So once you click on My Visits, you have the capability of skip tracing one or more properties and being able to export those out as an Excel format to your registered email. Once you have skip traced the information, as you see, we have done so for about 3 or 4 of these properties, you can click on the property, click on the skip trace information, and all the information is there right for you to be able to either dial out or email the owner directly. So that is our skip tracing functionality. One more thing you may want to check into as a verified investor, once you have requested a verified investor license, as I have done with this account, you can click on your profile and be able to click on our Find My Deal feature, as you see here, and be able to notify everyone in our community within that particular state of the type of asset or investment that you're looking for, a particular sales type, REO, short sale, subject to even, as well as a particular price. So you could go ahead and put a spread in or all prices in a specific state. Once you go ahead and click on that Find My Deal fields and you have set your request, you could go ahead and send over that request, and everybody in that state that is within our application will be notified that you as a user are looking for that specific type of property in that state, as you see here. That is a high-level demo of the FlippBidd application. I hope you enjoyed. Look out for our other videos that's going to include acquisitions, dispositions, as well as property research and data independently. We look forward to seeing you online. Have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.